This is the first time I get pulled over ever. I think I was doing 6 over. Nope. What road is this called? Person Road? No. Yeah, it's Person Road. Muddy! Alright. Well, we'll see how it goes, right? We'll turn around if we have to. If I ever feel better. Give me your number. When it's all over, I'll let you know. Oh, it is muddy. Let's see here. Pick your lines. Oh, it's muddy. Whew, okay. It is muddy. We'll turn it around. Yeah, not quite there yet. Just mud. Yep. Still muddy. Oh well. And it's all over, I'll let you know. If I ever feel better. If you give me your number. When it's all over, I'll let you know. It needs to be graded, huh? Not really an issue on knobbies, but yeah, she's slick. Man, this exhaust is so damn loud now. I used to be able to kind of stealthily go through down the roads without anyone really knowing I was there. Not anymore. So this road also turns into dirt. I don't know if I'll be able to make that work. I may have to go left. Yeah, we got a inch and a half of rain last night. In addition to all of the melt that we get this time of year. And it's just bad news bears. That's a gear shift assist pro fail right there, by the way. If you guys heard that noise. It's just, it happens sometimes. And I've been told it's not really a problem. Oh well. I don't know. That goes back to the training tons that I was talking about a while back. Me last year probably would have taken my GSA down that road. Slick and all. I don't know. I'm a little averse to falling lately. And I really need to get over it because it's gonna fucking happen. Go. No one coming. No one coming.
It's good to be back. You see my new keychain? It's on there ironically, but I didn't pay for the keychain. One of Heather's, my girlfriend's friends, gave it to her. And I thought, man, I really have no use for a Harley Davidson keychain, but this is my friend Harry. He And I think we've been riding together for about, this is probably our third summer riding together. Maybe, yeah, I think it's our third. He just bought that 2012 KTM 690 Enduro R. I'm really happy for him. It's a beast of a bike. So we're back kind of in the like Andover, New London, Canaan area of New Hampshire. A lot of the trails that we go down are still covered in snow and ice, so we're just sort of having fun. We're just kind of, you know, turning around a lot when we see snow, or, you know, passing by trails that are going to be passable in a few weeks. And then, of course, it's also mud season, so there's just a ton of slick, really slick, nasty stuff. Anyway, so when I first met him, he had a CSC 250. It was a 300. And that lost compression last year in like September. We worked on it a little bit, but after a compression test, it wasn't coming back to life. I think he still wants to make it work, but in the meantime, he's been scouring the web for I think he was looking at the 990 Super Adventure for a while and settled on the 690. I think the 690 is a much better bike for his kind of riding. Highways are no problem, and then, you know, obviously the kind of riding we do, it's gonna be perfect. So yeah, really happy for him. Yeah, so this is the first time taking the Beta off-road this year. She's had a couple of days to and from work or to and from the mechanics, but I'm still having problems with my speed sensor. I fixed the speed sensor issue, but then it's kind of reared its head back again. As you can see these clips, it's like between 0 and 20 miles an hour, and sometimes we were doing 40 and it wasn't registering properly.
Sounds good.
Better?
Sounds good. Is that?
Everything good?
Yeah.
Now, you said you might want to make some adjustments to your suspension?
It's actually feeling okay. I mean, I think the only thing is the rear is a little bit hard, but everything else is fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
So up here it turns into a Class 5 road.
Okay.
I don't know if there's snow on it still or not.
That's fine.
That's the road that Jim and I hit when we did the Makerspace ride, and it was still covered in snow this time of year, so we'll see.
Okay.
We'll have to turn around.
All right, cool.
And as you can see here, I have to turn my ignition off whenever we're stopped. I installed a really lightweight lithium-ion battery in this bike, and I'm really happy with it. It saved like 11-12 pounds on the rear subframe of weight, but with the headlight on, after about 1 minute or less than a minute, I can't start the bike, and the Kickstarter doesn't work if there's no battery power. So I've gotten in the habit of basically, when we come to a stop, I have to turn the key off, or I will drain the battery pretty quickly. But no, the 690 fits him, closed road. 690 fits him really well. It's a great bike. It's so fast. I think it's double the power and like 50 pounds lighter than his last bike. So huge improvement. Yeah, there's all kinds of trails up here, and they're all closed. So just doing what we can. This is also my first day on the new springs, and I had the suspension dialed really soft, about 50% preload. I measured sag. I'm right where I need to be as far as the sag goes. It was a blast. Although on one of these turnarounds, I end up I've got I don't know what the problem is, but I've got an issue with my tendon in my left leg, where my front of my ankle, and I keep spraining it. Like basically, I let my foot, come into my shin, and I keep spraining it. It's a repetitive injury, and I already hurt it. But 3 days later, you're back to normal, and it gets stronger every time I do that. I should be running actually, but I don't run. But anyway, we stopped in New London for a drink. He's got to head home, and I do as well. So that's really it. I just wanted to kind of post a riding video. I'll close by saying, as you guys know, that a lot of you guys subscribe to this channel as a motorcycle channel, but really it's a modification Farkle channel, because I don't really feel like these videos are very engaging, so I'm always recording, but the final product is like, it's not really very exciting, because we don't stop to record things. We kind of just, I'm just always recording, so kind of a warning that there won't be many videos now that riding season's back up, but I'm busy riding. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I appreciate it. Take care.